Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I apologize for my voice, I'm really sick right now, but I got this beautiful wig from Unice and it came with a bunch of goodies. It had lashes, two little headbands with my edges, it had a ring, I got a bonnet, and then I also got a robe and a hairbrush. So Unice was not playing with this package. Yeah, but you're gonna get a lot of goodies with this wig. And then I did get two wig caps. I got the regular one that comes with every wig, and I also got a really sheer one which I end up using. And then here's the beautiful wig, and that's what the lace looks like. Let me tell y'all something. I think every wig company should start sending these wig caps because it just makes for a better install. Like, it's so sheer and it just makes the wig look a whole lot better. So I'm not going to be talking much, obviously, because I don't sound the best right now. But I really do hope you guys enjoy and like my install process. I do make some weird faces during the video because I am focused. So don't laugh at me. But this wig was super easy to install. This is probably like my best install that I've done on myself, and I might come back to talk about certain things, but you can just follow along, and if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment below.
hurts straight up.
Memorize.
30 hertz straight up.
Guys, look how beautiful this color looks on my skin tone. Like, the lace looks impeccable. The hair itself is just chef's kiss. This is probably my favorite wig that Unice has ever sent me, if I'm being honest with you guys. I felt so beautiful, and I'm sure you guys will. And the color, I feel like this color would work for any skin tone. And it was just so easy to install, as you guys can see. And I don't play about my curls, and this wig did not disappoint. The curls really held up very well. They were very voluminous, and they were so pretty. So I'm just making, you know, a little TikTok here and there, just showing y'all the behind the scenes. But this is what the wig looks like. I really hope you guys enjoy my video. I hope you love this wig as much as I do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.